Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the predecessor error code PRX-0. The error reads, "An unknown error has occurred while updating the items. Please try again later." As per our research, the error comes after playing one match. Users have shared that when they try to hit play for ranked mode, the button lights up but nothing happens, and eventually they get this error. In some cases, users also get locked out at the login screen. According to our research, this error is likely caused by a temporary glitch with the game or its servers. It may also occur due to an outdated game version or network issues. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the internet. Simply turn off your device and router, then unplug them for a few minutes, then plug them back in and restart. After that, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. Simply go to the game settings and look for any available updates. If there is an update, install it and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. This will help confirm if the issue is related to your network. Once connected, check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then it is likely a server-side issue. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.